Well, we're here just really to show solidarity. As non-Muslim activists, we're absolutely sickened by what we've seen in this last week. The riots, the amount of fear that it's spreading amongst people. You know, we've got Muslim friends who are terrified and staying in the house, not going to work. That's not the UK that we want to see.
You're here today
because we hate racism, because Bedford doesn't promote racism.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
When Muslims are under attack, what do we do? What do we do? The attacks that we've seen over the last 2 weeks on mosques, on refugee hotels, on Muslim women wearing hijab. Those are not just disorder or pro-British protests as some of the media try to describe. They are homophobic pogroms. They are we're not standing for it anymore.
Some of the people here were actually protesting outside our mosque, weren't you? Okay? And now we're drinking tea together.
Now I am totally different.
Assalamualaikum saudara seiman, semuanya dimanapun kalian berada. Setelah sebelumnya merespon berbagai tuduhan jahat, aktivis sayap kanan dan media barat di Inggris dengan aksi kebaikan. Kini, banyak warga Inggris mulai sadar akan siapa yang harus mereka dukung dan bela.
Well, we're here just really to show solidarity. As non-Muslim activists, we're absolutely sickened by what we've seen in this last week. The riots, the amount of fear that it's spreading amongst people. You know, we've got Muslim friends who are terrified and staying in the house, not going to work. That's not the UK that we want to see. We know who these people are, and anyone who actually knows Muslims knows that they're the most peaceful, community-minded, charity-minded, generous people that you're ever going to meet. And I really want people to know that we love you. You're very, very entirely welcome in here, in this country. I tell you who isn't welcome, Tommy Robinson and the far right. Deport them. You lot, please stay. Please stay and help us make it a better place.
Why are you here today?
Because we hate racism, because Bedford doesn't promote racism, multicultural, and that's what it's about. We do not accept that people coming for this sort of event should be here. We're here to support our friends and to make sure that they're safe. We've never had a problem here. I have lots of Muslim friends, and I don't have a problem with Christian friends, although I'm an atheist. It's just ridiculous this sort of thing is going on. 3 young girls were killed by a Welsh-born Christian. It's ridiculous.
Sementara itu, setelah aksi bagi-bagi makanan gratis dan respon positif yang komunitas muslim tunjukkan ke para pengunjuk rasa menjadi viral di media sosial. Banyak warga Inggris mulai penasaran akan Islam dan masjid. Hal ini dapat kita lihat ketika komunitas muslim di kota Liverpool yang dipimpin oleh Imam Adam Kelwitz membuka masjid untuk khalayak umum sebagai sarana dakwah dan pengenalan Islam.
Assalamualaikum. So some wonderful things have happened tonight. We invited people into our mosque. Some of the people here were actually protesting outside our mosque, weren't you? Okay? And now we're drinking tea together.
Now I am totally different.
Yeah.
I've learned a lot tonight, actually.
So we've had an amazing event. People from all different walks of society been asking some tough questions, and I'll be honest, some of them were tough, and we've been answering them and dispelling any kind of ignorance and misinformation, and communities are coming together. We've made friends. Well, we finished the event, we went for a tour of the old mosque, and now we're going to be serving some food together, eating together, and I'm sure a lot of friendships are going to be built. And this is all on the back of the protest against our mosque last week. and we're seeing amazing things happen since. I'm receiving messages from up and down the country, people thanking our community, expressing support for our community, saying that they've never really thought about learning about Islam before, but now they want to learn. A few people have even reached out and said that they want to become Muslim, and it's just a really, really beautiful story. You can see people now sitting down together, talking together, eating together, drinking together, building bridges, and it's such a beautiful sight. Assalamualaikum.
Seorang pria muslim bernama Abdullah menjadi pahlawan di Inggris setelah berhasil menghentikan aksi penikaman terhadap seorang wanita berusia 34 tahun dan seorang anak perempuan berusia 11 tahun di Leicester Square, London, Inggris. Di saat berita hoax terhadap muslim yang sebelumnya beredar dan memicu kerusuhan, pria muslim yang sedang bekerja di kedai teh di Leicester Square itu muncul dengan aksi heroiknya.
I heard a scream, and the moment I saw it, there was one person, roughly around maybe like mid-30s or early 30s, and he was like stabbing a kid. Yeah, so I saw that he was stabbing a kid. I jumped on him, hold the hand in which he wasn't having a knife, and I just put him down on the floor and just hold him and kick the knife away from him. And then a couple of more people joined as well, and we just hold him until the police came. It took like maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Police arrived, and then they just took him into the custody. And the child, just like all my colleagues, they gave him first aid. Just saw a kid who was getting stabbed, and I just like tried to save her.
Terima kasih atas waktu dan perhatian Anda. Semoga video ini membantu kita semua memperluas wawasan dan saling menghormati perbedaan kita. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Like postingan ini jika bermanfaat. Kalau setuju, tulis di komen ya. Dan jangan lupa subscribe-nya serta share ke teman kamu biar pada tahu. Wallahu a'lam bishawab. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.